Hi everybody! This is Miss Amy with the Memphis Public Libraries, and I'm a children's librarian here at the Benjamin L. Hooks Central Branch. And I'd like to welcome you all to our Once Upon a Rhyme story time. And we're going to kick off today with our opening song. I encourage you all to sing along. We clap and sing hello, we clap and sing hello. With our friends at story time, we clap and sing hello. We stomp and sing hello, we stomp and sing hello. With our friends at story time, we stomp and sing hello. We wave and sing hello, we wave and sing hello. With our friends at story time, we wave and sing hello. Good, everybody. Well, today I'm going to be sharing stories in rhyme. Well, what is rhyme? Let's look at my board here. Let's look at this first set of pictures here, and you can help me identify the objects. What is this called? A dog. Good job. Now this is a frog. And I want you to look at the last two letters in dog. We have an O-G. Now let's look at the last two letters in frog. O-G. So because they end the same, they are considered rhyming words. Now let's look at our second set of objects. We have a shoe, and then we have glue. Well, let's look at the last two letters in each word. So shoe ends with an O-E, and glue ends with a U-E. And so you notice they don't end the same, but they still rhyme because they have the same ending sound. So up first, we're going to read Falling for Rapunzel by Leah Wilcox. And I hope you enjoy this zany twist on a classic tale, and don't forget to listen for the rhyming words. Once upon a bad hair day, a prince rode up Rapunzel's way. From up above he heard her whine, upset her hair had lost its shine. He thought her crying was a plea, and sallied forth to set her free. Alas, she was too far away to quite make out what he would say. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, throw down your hair. She thought he said, your underwear. No, Rapunzel, your curly locks. Rapunzel threw down dirty socks. Please, love, just your silky tresses. She thought he asked for silky dresses. And lace and frills up to his head, the prince's cheeks were blushing red. Rapunzel, do you have a rope? Rapunzel dropped a cantaloupe. It burst in pieces on his head. Oh, bad catch, Rapunzel said. Perhaps he sighed. This is a test. And bound by love, he did not rest. Okay, Rapunzel, how about twine? She heaved out her blue ribbon swine. By now the prince was feeling hammered, not to mention less enamored. He growled up, do you have a ladder? Rapunzel tossed out pancake batter. It covered him from head to toe. She yelled, it's better cooked, you know. At this, the poor prince had a cry, then cupped his hands for one last try. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your braid. Confused, Rapunzel pushed out her maid. The maid fell squarely on the prince, quite pleased with the coincidence. She nimbly jumped up off his lap and soon revived the flattened chap. Then smiling said, "For what it's worth, you'll find I'm really down to earth." His young heart thrilled, he gave a hoot, and what was more, the maid was cute. She set the prince upon his steed, then leapt behind with graceful speed, and leaning close so he could hear, she whispered something in his ear. "I fell for you when we first met," he nodded. "How could I forget?" Rapunzel watched them ride from sight. "I'm glad I finally heard him right. I hope if they come back for more, they'll think to knock on my back door." The end. All right, boys and girls, next up we're gonna do a game. They're rhyming riddles about animals. So I'm gonna give you a clue, and then I want you to guess what type of animal it is. All right, so here we go. I say woof and rhyme with log. What am I? I'm a dog. All right, next one. I say quack and rhyme with truck. What am I? I'm a duck. All right, the next one. I say oink and rhyme with wig. What am I? I'm a pig. I say meow and rhyme with bat. What am I? I'm a cat. Very good job, boys and girls. Awesome. Now we're going to do a finger play, and we're going to count our 10 fingers. So just go ahead and count with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 little fingers and they all belong to me. I can make them do things. Would you like to see? I can shut them up tight. I can open them wide. I can put them together. I can make them hide. I can dance them up high. I can dance them down low. I can roll them, then fold them just so. Great. Now we're ready for our second book, boys and girls. This one is called Little Red Rhyming Hood by Sue Fleece. Once there was a girl who spoke only in rhyme. This drew some attention. Want to ride the swings with me, race our bikes, or climb a tree? Look, everybody, the sad little rhymer has no friends, teased Big Brad Wolf. You don't bother me, Big Brad. Nasty words won't make me sad, but his words did bother her. One day after playing at the park, she said to her grandma, "I wish I was not this way. May I hide in here today?" To cheer her up, Grandma sewed her a cozy red hooded sweatshirt. "This new hoodie looks just right. I shall wear it day and night." She wore it everywhere she went, and so she became known as Little Red Rhyming Hood. Now, every day after school, Little Red walked straight to Grandma's house. And every day, Brad Wolf tried to scare her. Boom, boomed Brad. Gotcha, Little Red. You couldn't scare me if you tried. Stop it, Brad. Now step aside. One afternoon, Grandma showed Little Red a flyer for a poetry contest. Maybe I'll meet kids like me who also speak in poetry. Little Red practiced each day while she walked. On the day of the contest, she was so focused on her poem that she didn't hear Brad sneak up behind her. Grrr, he growled. Eek, Red shrieked. Sweet sonnets, Brad. You startled me. Were you crouched behind that bush? For the first time ever, Red didn't rhyme. Yes, I really scared you good. Now who's brave, Red Rhyming Hood? And for the first time ever, Brad did. Leaping limericks, said Little Red. You've scared the rhyme out of me and into you, and the poetry contest is tonight. Help me, make it go away. I don't want to rhyme all day. Maybe I'll help you, said Red, but there's no time to fix this before the contest, so first you need to help me win it. Red, I don't think I can wait. Shh, I need to concentrate. Hey, said Brad, we rhymed just then. Holy haiku, where's my pen? So the two wrote a poem together. At the contest, they got on stage and took turns, saying each line. Red began. Once there was a girl named Red who spoke the verses in her head. A wolf named Brad thought this was strange. He teased her, though she could not change. Couldn't he just leave her be? Well, he liked her company. He was hurtful and unkind. Soon this put him in a bind. He scared the rhyme from her to him. Everything was looking grim. Red began to miss her verse, and causing that made Brad feel worse. Could the two undo the swap, switch things back, or make it stop? Neither one could just sit by, so together they would try. Maybe they would make amends. Could these enemies be friends? Then Brad and Red grabbed hands and took a bow. The audience cheered and howled with delight. The two new friends left with the winning trophy. Brad was so excited, he gave Little Red a big hug. I feel different. Something's changed. Have our rhyming ways exchanged? Want to write again sometime? Only if we write in rhyme. The end. Thank you. Very good listening, boys and girls. Well, now we're ready to close our program with a song, and I'd love for you to sing along. Here we go. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We clap our hands for our friends. We wave goodbye like this. Thanks so much for joining us. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.